What does Workpath's future look like with AI?
The most important thing for us was to move quickly and to be a AI first company. And that always starts with our own team, our own capabilities. So we have ran our own internal AI bootcamps. We have reevaluated a lot of our existing processes, how we can automate them with AI. And some of them I would say we have really rebuilt from scratch. Of course, AI is in any aspect of our platform. All of our key use cases are enabled by AI for our customers. But there's at least two more angles that I think are even more exciting than this. One is about AI agents. I think AI agents are not just a new software product category, but AI agents can also be seen as a new channel of how humans interact with technology. And this can be much more intuitive, a much more human and simple experience where, in our case, you don't really have to enter our platform again and like manually go through a workflow, manually put in a lot of data, but you will have a lot more conversational experiences. You will have Workpath AI agents join your MS Teams call, document for you, remind you of things. So how you interact with the core value of Workpath will change a lot. And I think AI agents play a major role in all of this. And then last but not least, AI agents also help you to rethink how you deliver services. Workpath has always played at the intersection of software and professional services. I think if you want to drive sustainable change and meaningful value for enterprises on their operating models, on their strategy execution, you have to be able to provide value through both directions. And if you look at the service catalog, the portfolio of services our team today delivers, there's actually a lot of products, a lot of service formats that can be productized, where still humans will be involved, human consultants, trainer, coaches, but they will be leveraged, they will be amplified by AI agents, which might stay with you after the consultant, the coach has left you. They might have done a workshop with you in your offices, and then afterwards you have a service agent who will always be there and does similar thing. Our human expert will stay in the loop, will stay connected to you. But again, I think a lot of today's professional services can be improved, can be amplified by AI agents actually blending in. And that's the third angle overall, how Workpath is changing right now and how we, I think, will have a very different sets of channels and products now 2 or 3 years in this new AI chapter.